So, imagine you're deep into your testing suite when suddenly, problem. You're using Playwright with TypeScript, setting up your tests with a beforeAll method, and boom, the test context isn't behaving as expected. It's like trying to juggle code blindfolded, not fun at all. But fear not, because there's a solution in sight, shining like a beacon of hope in the coding darkness. The key lies in setting the scope of the fixture to worker. This magical word will work wonders to align your test context and make everything smooth as silk. Just like magic, but without the smoke and mirrors. Now, diving into the solution, we have this snippet of code that will be your new best friend. It defines types for the fixtures, creates an incrementer class to handle your values, and extends test with sharedTestContext set to worker scope. This snippet is your golden ticket to getting that test context in order and sailing smoothly through your test suite. Now, continuing on our journey to testing glory, we have another snippet of code that ties it all together. This piece of the puzzle sets up the beforeAll and beforeEach functions, loading sharedTestContext to ensure everything is in perfect harmony. With this setup, you can rest assured that your test context will stay in line throughout your testing adventures. And last but not least, we have the final piece of the puzzle. Running your tests with npx playwright-test, you'll see the magic unfold before your eyes. The output will show you that everything is working as intended, with test 1 create passing with flying colors. It's like a symphony of code coming together in perfect harmony. In conclusion, with a little bit of scope setting magic and some clever fixture handling, you can conquer any test context problem that comes your way. So, go forth, brave coder, armed with this newfound knowledge, and may your tests always run smoothly. And remember, subscribe, like, and comment below. Your journey to coding greatness awaits.